Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to control Android phone from PC or laptop. Visor works just like AirDrop Cast. It's available for Windows, Mac, Linux, and Chrome OS, and comes in free and paid versions. The free version is good enough to give you a taste of what's on offer, but it's limited. It includes ads and you can only use a wired connection. But what makes Visor great is that there's almost no setup or configuration process. You must enable USB debugging on your phone, but that's all. Just install Visor on your computer and connect your phone. Everything happens automatically. An app is pushed to your Android device along the way. If you ever want to uninstall this, you can do so by going to Settings and tap Apps and Notification on your Android device. So Visor features, once installed, is complete. You'll see your phone screen mirrored in a window on your desktop. There are handy buttons to take screenshots, record your screen, and control the volume. You can do everything else with your mouse on the virtual touch screen. Because Visor is a screen mirroring service, there's no concern about app compatibility. Anything that runs on your phone will be usable on the desktop. This includes gaming, though lag is an issue in games that need fast reactions. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for another video.